subscribe to our channel.
9 tips to clean out your liver. 1. Lemon juice. Drink some warm water with lemon juice every day to keep your liver clean and improve digestion. 1 glass of warm water with lemon juice on an empty stomach is all it takes to get rid of those toxins that are building up in the liver, improve your metabolism, promote healthy digestion, and prevent constipation. 2. Avocado. Avocado is known around the world as a useful health and beauty tool. It is considered to be one of the best vegetables to help you get those healthy fats, and it also helps protect the liver. One Japanese study found that avocados protect the liver from toxins such as galactosamine. 3. Turmeric. Turmeric is a spice that serves as an anti-inflammatory agent that not only prevents cancer, but also improves liver health. This spice also boosts your metabolism in addition to naturally cleaning out your liver. 4. Drink more water. One of the best ways to clean out your liver is by drinking 6 to 8 cups of mineral water a day. This also helps cleanse the kidneys and may help you lose weight. You need to stay hydrated, and the best way to do this is by drinking plenty of fluids. Drinking water has many benefits and is key for anyone who wants to cleanse the liver. 5. Avoid processed foods. You should avoid refined flours, sugars, and other refined foods at all costs since the liver transforms these foods into fat and cholesterol. The fat can begin to build up in the abdomen, gluteal, thigh, back, and other regions. High levels of triglycerides are also related to a greater risk of heart disease. 6. Dandelion root. One of the many healing uses of dandelion root is to cleanse the liver. In fact, throughout history dandelion root has been a therapeutic solution for liver problems. It is best to drink it in a tea. 7. Garlic. 1 small garlic clove is loaded with medicinal properties to strengthen the immune system and protect against viruses and bacteria. Garlic also contains traces of sulfur that improve liver functioning by activating enzymes. 8. Brussels sprouts. Even though Brussels sprouts don't tend to be the vegetable of choice in people's diets, there is no doubt that they are loaded with healthy benefits you should take advantage of. One of its most important benefits is its glucosinolate content, which is a sulfur compound that protects you from and rids the body of harmful chemicals and toxins. 9. Green tea. It has been proven that drinking green tea helps naturally clean the liver, as well as protects it from alcohol damage, tumors, and hepatitis. Green tea is rich in catechins, which allows it to act as a natural cancer fighter. It also helps eliminate fats that have accumulated in the liver. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.